Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having lower miles with less wear and tear. A good deal. Features also include keyless entry, rear view camera, towing package, steering wheel controls, hands-free Bluetooth integration. With these ratings, make a great choice today with the 2019 Frontier. This vehicle is powered by a rear-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 4.0-liter engine, and comes with an automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: sliding rear window, tire pressure monitor, aluminum wheels, traction control, stability control, engine immobilizer, rear-wheel drive, 4-wheel disc brakes, tires front all season, tires rear all season. Inside you'll find backup camera, keyless entry, auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls, MP3 player, cruise control, child safety locks, power door locks, power windows, power steering. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.